Hello ladies and gentlemen, Adrian here for DigitalDojos.com. Today we're going to be talking about how to recover data on Windows. So in the past, I ran a couple of videos on recovering data for Windows via multiple methods that were, very tedious. However, that was one of my real popular videos and tutorials, and I get questions even to this day regarding data recovery. Now, for you OS X users, you can check out the video I did on DiskDrill. I'm a really huge fan of DiskDrill and the folks over at Clever Files, because DiskDrill is a great piece of software that's now completely available for Windows and free for you Windows users, and you can use this to recover lost documents, videos, musics, what have you. This helps for partition loss, hard drive reformatting, if you have failed boot ups, accidental deletion of files, and SD card or memory card corruption. So it has all sorts of recovery options, and it's a really simple and easy to use software. So with that, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So you guys can go ahead and download Distro, like I said, for you Windows users. It's completely free, and as you can see here, the interface is very simple. Basically, what it's going to do here is going to show your list of hard drives. Now, that could be local drives, that can be external drives, that can be SD cards, any sort of media that you have related to drives will show up here, and then you can easily see the drive, in this case a local disk C here, listed. And then you can go ahead and do a couple of things. Now let's say you lost data and you want to run recovery methods. You can have the program run all recovery methods. You can have it do things like a quick scan, a deep scan. You can load your last scanning session. So for example, I ran a quick scan earlier. I'm gonna go ahead and load that, and as you can see here, just in the couple minutes I ran it, it already detected 2 files I deleted in the recycling bin. As you can see here, I can easily recover said files here that were deleted. Additionally, I have program files and a couple other files that were deleted that I can easily recover, and it's as simple as literally just checking the files and then hitting the recover button, and you can choose the destination of which you want to recover. So in the case that you accidentally deleted a file, maybe you accidentally dropped it in the recycling bin and got deleted, something got corrupted, maybe you're reformatting the drive and something went wrong, partition issues, DiskDrill has all of that covered. That's the really great thing about this, and it easily filters your results of files that are listed here. So let's say you're looking specifically for pictures, because it shows a ton of files. For example, this folder here has 353 files that are recovered. I can easily filter by documents, video, audio, etc. You can even filter it by size. So if you want to see like the biggest files that it recovered, you can do that. You have settings in the top right, which you can also access here, so you can check for updates, distro log, and more. Let's go ahead and go back to the main interface here, or the main menu, I should say. You have a couple of other options as well built into Distro. You have the ability to run into your extras here, which allows you to back up your drive entirely into a disk image, which is really useful if you want to make a clone of your hard drive. So if you really want to keep your data secured, go ahead and run that. You also have the protect mode. This is a really cool mode, which allows you to run things like recovery vault protection. This is a really great way to secure your files. Basically, it's going to take a little bit of additional space on your hard drive, very minimal, however. In that case, it can help you in the future if you ever lose files or anything like that. It keeps small little protected vault within your drive here, and you can even choose which folders specifically to protect if you want to protect certain folders. So you can see here I protected my desktop, documents, and settings. So anywhere you have specific files, and you can have it, of course, exclude certain files. So if you don't want it to protect certain files in the recovery vault, then you can exclude them from here. Really useful. Again, it's just one of those measures where if it hasn't happened to you yet, and in the case of like you losing any major files, it doesn't hurt to turn that protection mode on. That way when it does happen, you have the ability to easily recover your files. And like I said, you can run all sorts of different recovery methods here. You can do the quick scan, the deep scan. You can just have it run the whole full list of things here and have it start running off here. And you can see in my recovery vault, it shows all the files that I protected that I mentioned here. So everything, like I mentioned, on my desktop and my documents and settings, they're already saved in their own separate recovery vault on my drive. So if you are looking to recover data on a drive that is damaged, maybe it's an SD card that got corrupted, you're having issues with the drive, but you really want to save that data, those precious memories, photos, definitely worth checking out and trying Distro. For your Windows users, again, you can get this completely free over at cleverfiles.com. Hope you enjoyed this quick tutorial and overview of Distro. Be sure to check out their site for more information, and thank you all for watching.